You've never seen a fox this mesmerizing. And you won't believe what makes the Ezo Red Fox of Hokkaido so different. It looks fluffy and friendly, but this fox survives some of Japan's coldest winters. Therefore, its fur becomes unbelievably thick, almost like a walking snow cloud. And the cutest part? They use their giant tails as built-in heaters, curling them around their faces at night.